Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are building a real shop from scratch and Claude is doing the heavy lifting. It finds the niche, writes the design prompts, builds the actual product file and writes the whole listing with SEO. By the end of this video, you will have a live listing that anyone on earth can buy. Let's get into it. First, head over to Claude AI and start a new chat. Now look at the bottom of the message box, click that tools icon and switch web search on. This is important. Without it, Claude answers from memory. With it, Claude goes out and looks at what's selling right now. Now type this prompt. Search current Pinterest trends for printable wall art. Give me 10 niches ranked by demand versus saturation. For each one, tell me what's selling, the typical price, and how crowded it looks. Then pick the 3 niches where a brand new shop could realistically rank and explain why. And hit enter. Give it a second. You can actually watch it searching. And look at that, 10 niches ranked with real prices and how crowded each one is. And down at the bottom, the 3 it thinks a new shop can actually break into. Here's the thing nobody tells you. You don't want the biggest niche, you want the winnable one. So pick one of those 3. Now we will type, show me 3 listings currently selling well in this niche, what they charge, and one gap a brand new shop could fill. One more before we commit. Type this in. And there's your opening. That gap is what your shop sells. Niche locked in. Let's make the product. Now we will type, write 5 image generation prompts for printable art in this niche. Keep one consistent style across all 5. Be specific about composition, color palette, mode, portrait ratio, high resolution, and strong contrast for printing. Number them 1 to 5. Type that in and watch what comes back. 5 numbered prompts and look how specific they are. The palette is named, the composition is described, the print specs are backed right in. This is honestly where Claude shines the most in this whole workflow. Go ahead and copy all 5. We're taking them next door. Now quick honest note, Claude writes the prompts but Claude does not generate image. Claude can look at images but it can't create them, so we need one more tool and it's free. Easiest option and the one I will use here. Go to the perchance.org. No login, no sign up, no daily limit. You just paste and go. Links are in the description. If you want other free options, Google Gemini gives you a generous daily allowance. Bing Image Creator is high quality and Adobe Firefly has the clearest commercial use terms of the lot. And that brings up something important. Since we are actually selling these prints, every generator has its own rules about commercial use. Take 15 seconds and read the terms of whichever one you pick. Firefly is the safest bet if you want zero ambiguity. Okay, paste prompt 1, hit generate. You will get a few options. Pick the strongest one and download it as a PNG. Now just repeat that for prompts 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we have generated 5 PNGs. One consistent style, all sitting in a folder. Your product exists. Now let's package it. Head back to Claude, click the plus button in the message box and upload all 5 PNGs at once. You will see them load in as a little card. Now type this. Combine these 5 images into a print-ready PDF, 1 image per page, full page, then add a final thank you page with 3 short printing tips, written warm and simple. Give it a moment. And there's your download link. Click it. Open the file. 5 full page prints plus a thank you page with printing tips. That right there is exactly what your customer receives. Claude just builds your product. Nobody buys a file, they buy the picture of it hanging on a wall. So open canva.com. In the search bar type frame mockup and pick one you like. Drag your first print into the frame. Click share, then download. Do that 2 more times with different prints. And our listing photos done. Back to Claude, type this in. Write me a listing, a title packed with real search phrases buyers use for this niche, a description that sells the use case, not the file, exactly 13 tags, and a recommended price with fees factored in. Show me the fee math. And there it is. Your title, your description, 13 tags, and a price with the fee arithmetic actually shown. So you know your real margin on every single sale. Copy all of it. Now open Shop Manager and click Add a Listing. Paste in the title. For type, choose Digital. Enter your price. Upload the PDF that Claude built. Paste the description. Upload your 3 mockup photos. And click Publish. Your listing is live from absolutely nothing to a published product in one setting. Okay, a few honest things before you sprint off. First, this is a volume business. One listing very rarely pays the bill. The shops winning here have dozens, sometimes hundreds of listings built up over months, and most of them do nothing while a few carry everything. Second, what you just watched takes under an hour per listing. That's your actual edge, not one magic product, a repeatable system that you can run again tomorrow. And third, Claude does not generate the artwork. If you see a tutorial claiming otherwise, they are skipping a step. The image tool is separate and it's free. You found a winnable niche, got the design, prompts written, built a print-ready PDF, made your mockups, got your SEO written, and published the thing. Now go run that same workflow again for your second listing. It will take you half the time. Subscribe for more Claude tutorials, drop a like if this helped, and tell me in the comments which niche you picked. I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.